Hey everyone, welcome back to Do More Review, where we bring you the best unboxing and reviews. Today, we've got something special for all the Manchester United fans out there, the brand new Manchester United home shirt and Manchester City home kit for the 320 season, fresh from bestdv.com. This shirt is from bestdv.com, a top-notch platform specializing in soccer jerseys, training gear, and accessories. I'll make sure to include the link to their website in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. Here it is, the iconic red of Manchester United. First impressions. This shirt looks and feels amazing. The craftsmanship and attention to detail are top tier. Crafted from lightweight recycled polyester, this shirt features Adidas's Air-Ready technology. What does that mean for you? It means you'll stay cool and dry, no matter how intense the match or your day gets. Check out this all-over subtle graphic print. It adds a touch of modern flair to the classic design, making it perfect for showing off your loyalty to the Red Devils. Of course, this shirt wouldn't be complete without the Manchester United crest and the iconic Adidas branding on the chest. These details really make the shirt stand out. This kit isn't just about style, it's about history. The accents and details commemorate the 20th anniversary of City at the Etihad, making this jersey a true collector's item. The fabric is lightweight and comfortable, perfect for both match day and everyday wear. Whether you're cheering in the stands or out with friends, this jersey has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at the crest and the Puma logo. The quality here is top-notch, with the stitching and design reflecting the pride of Manchester City. Now let's see how it fits. This jersey is as comfortable as it is stylish, offering a perfect blend of form and function. Whether you're at the Etihad or just showing off your city pride around town, this jersey is a must-have for any true Manchester City fan. Let's talk a little about where you can get your hands on this beauty. bestdv.com is your go-to site for the latest football jerseys and accessories. They offer a wide range of high-quality products, from jerseys and training gear to jackets and other football accessories. And it's not just retail, they also provide wholesale options. Everything on bestdv.com is made from top-notch materials, ensuring that you get the best quality for your money. Whether you're a retailer, wholesaler, or just a passionate fan, they've got something for you. They ship worldwide using professional and reliable forwarders, so no matter where you are, you can get your gear delivered straight to your door. One of the things I love about bestdv.com is their competitive pricing. You get high-quality products at prices that won't break the bank. ZV, the team behind bestzvon.com, has a deep understanding of the football industry and global markets. Their expertise is reflected in every product they offer. So if you're looking to add this Manchester United home shirt to your collection, or any other football gear, head over to bestdv.com. The link is in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an unboxing. Until next time, stay passionate, stay stylish, and keep supporting your team.